Welcome to my channel, Learn English with Mr. Imran. Hi friends, today's topic is daily routine. Listen carefully to the daily routine, then repeat each sentence with me. Morning. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. and start my day. The first thing I do is stretch for a few minutes to shake off the sleepiness. After that, I take a quick shower to freshen up. After dressing, I head to the kitchen to make breakfast. By 8 a.m., I'm ready to leave for work. Afternoon. I spend my late morning and early afternoon at the office. My work involves managing projects and collaborating with team members. I take a short break around noon to grab lunch and relax for a bit. Afternoons are usually busy with meetings and talks. Evening. After leaving the office around 5:30 p.m., I go to the gym for a workout session. Physical activity helps me to stay healthy and positive mind. After a workout, I go home, take a shower, and prepare dinner. I use the evening to catch up on personal talks, read, or watch a TV show. Around 10 p.m., I start winding down and preparing for bedtime. Night. Before going to sleep, I like to reflect on the day and plan for tomorrow. I set out my clothes for the next day and ensure everything is organized. Finally, at about 11 p.m., I allowed myself a good night's sleep to recharge for the next day. Thank you.